Every single day, the Earth intercepts approximately 173 terawatts of solar power, 10,000 times more power than the planet power usage. So, can we someday rely entirely on solar energy? Solar panels are made of solar cells. The most common material for solar cell is silicon, the second most abundant element on Earth. In a solar panel, crystals and silicon are placed in the middle of conductive layers. The silicon atoms are strongly connected with each other, keeping the electrons in place, so there is no electrical flow. The silicon is divided into two layers, N-type silicon region and P-type silicon region. An N-type is the silicon that has extra electrons, making the negative charge on the area. In contrast, P-type is missing electrons, leaving the positive charge on the area. Because of two different electrical charges, the electrons can wander between the two sides, where it is called the p-n junction. Sunlight is the flow of many small particles called photons. The photons then shoot the negatively charged electrons out of its place, resulting in freely moving electrons. However, due to the electric field in the p-n junction, the electrons will be dragged to the inside. These electrons will be collected at the top of the cell, making an electric flow to use devices,